I started using this Moto G85 mobile for more than a week as my primary device. In this full in-depth review, you are going to see whether this is a good mobile or not under 20,000 rupees, followed by the good and bad things I noticed in this one. First, let's have a look at the inbox contents. This Moto G85 comes in a big box, unlike all other Motorola mobiles. In the box, you get the mobile, a USB-C cable, a 33 watts turbocharger, a SIM ejector tool, a back case, a quick start guide and some more paperwork. Basically, you get all the necessary things to use this mobile right after unboxing. Coming to the back case quality, it's a transparent one and it's not good for the long run. Now let's talk about each department with pros and cons. So watch without skipping the video so it makes you understand better about this mobile. Starting with the display, this is a 6.67-inch POLED panel with a screen to body ratio of 90.8%. This is a curved panel. Some like it and some don't. Personally, while using this mobile, I never thought this was a curved panel. It fits in my hand perfectly without any weight distribution issues. This is a 20:9 aspect ratio display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The back and frame are made up of plastic. Oh yeah, the backside of this mobile comes with a leather kind of thing. They are calling this an eco leather. It's not original leather, but it feels like that. In the long run, this is not going to be good to hold. Why don't they come up with just plastic? It's easy to hold, cheap and no shatter. The overall weight of this mobile is 174 grams. I didn't notice any issues while holding this, even though it comes with a bigger battery. You can easily hold it in one hand and use it if your palm is big. This screen can go up to a peak brightness of 1600 nits and it produces 1 billion colors. When it comes to outdoor visibility and usage, this is excellent. I didn't face any issues with the brightness. Talking about the least brightness, it's good in that area as well. This display is supported by a 120Hz refresh rate. If you want, you can decrease it in display settings all the way to 60 Hz. I used it in 120Hz all the time. There is no issue at all in everyday use. Apps opening smoother, scrolling experience is good. Also, I need to talk about my typing experience here. The vibration motor in this mobile is really good. You get strong, smooth and punchy feedback. I liked the haptics after the iPhone. This mobile doesn't come with any pre-applied screen protector. So if you're applying any UV screen guard or other that require a liquid to be poured before adding the protector, in the box we get some stickers to close the opening of the mobile like speakers, charging slot and so on. Because once that glue enters into these opened areas, it blocks those parts which results in not working perfectly. So make sure to use these glue stickers before applying any screen guard. I used this mobile in different conditions and played so many games, watched a lot of content and even used the cameras in outdoor and indoor conditions. For everything, this display is good and I don't have any complaints. The thickness of the mobile is very minimal. It's just 7.6 mm. I don't know how they placed a huge battery inside followed by other components. The under display optical fingerprint reader works well and there are no issues like not recognizing or not unlocking even after reading the finger. This Moto G85 comes with stereo speakers and the sound quality is good. It's evenly sounded. 50% for the bottom and 50% for the top one. Now let's talk about the processor. This Moto G85 comes with a Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset. This is a 6nm build processor. This processor can handle any task with no issues or lags, followed by good battery efficiency. I already posted a dedicated video about the battery drain test, followed by charging this one from 0% to 100%. You can check the video links in the description box. I played heavy games and I did the camera test indoors and outdoors. The overall performance is decent. This mobile doesn't come with any cooling system. I noticed a lot of frame drops in heating while doing the gaming test. You can play close to above medium graphic games for a long time, but not heavy games. Overall, this processor is good for normal to medium tasks for both indoor and outdoor conditions, but not for heavy things. If you use it heavily, you observe the heating all over the mobile. If you want to know the in-depth gaming experience of this Moto G85, check the gaming test that I posted a few days back. This mobile is equipped with two cameras on the back side and a single camera on the front. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel. The daytime photos and videos looks good. The main 50 megapixel camera sensor is doing its work what it's meant for. But if you click in dull or nighttime conditions, you notice a lot of noise and the quality loss. Coming to the videos, you can record a maximum of 1080p 30 fps by using both cameras. This is the biggest drawback when it comes to this mobile, especially in the camera department. These days, we are seeing mobiles with 4K video support under 15,000 rupees. I'm asking Motorola this question, why? Why not 4K? There are a lot of features in the camera app that takes hours to explain all at once. Check the dedicated camera review of this Moto G85 that I posted already for more photo samples in daytime and nighttime conditions. In short, the cameras are good for daytime outdoor conditions for both photos and videos, but not for nighttime. This Moto G85 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. This is huge for this slim mobile. If you recall the previous mobiles, especially from Asus, they released the compact mobile with a bigger battery and the most powerful processor. But that mobile failed due to a lot of heating issues. The main reason is that they stacked all the components in a tighter space where there is no space for escaping heat. Coming back to this mobile, the battery backup is good. You get more than 1 day of use without any compromise. Even the standby time is also good. I left the mobile by connecting to Wi-Fi for more than 7 days, still it has a lot of battery. This mobile is supported for 33 watts fast charging. If it is an international variant, it supports 30 watts only. The beauty part is you get the charger inside. Now we are observing the no charger trend in almost all mobiles. Now with the latest iPhones, the 16 series, they removed the Apple stickers as well. I think soon they stop providing a SIM ejector pin, cable and instruction manual as well. Apple things. Coming back to Moto G85, if you want to know how much time it takes to charge 0% to 100%, check out the charging test video that I posted a few days back. You get one full day of battery power for normal use in just 30 minutes of charging. If you charge 100% and use it in mixed conditions like gaming, using cameras, multimedia, web browsing, etc., you get more than one full day. And by the way, there is no wireless charging support is available for this. Overall, the battery backup is good and the charging speeds are also good. This Moto G85 out of the box comes with Android 14. The software experience is close to stock Android with some added useful features. According to Motorola, this mobile is supported for 2 years of major Android updates and 4 years of Android security updates. When it comes to software update rollout, there is a lag from Motorola side. They won't release on time. Let's see, it's too early to decide about this for the latest mobiles. There are some extra features that are available and not available on this Moto G85. Let's talk about it. Here are some important ones. Number 1, it comes with a water repellent design. Here, Motorola is in safe zone by not telling whether it is a pure water resistant mobile or which IP rating it supported. Number 2, stereo speakers are available with Dolby Atmos support. But there is no 3.5 headphone jack. The sound quality is coming from the speakers is good. But if you increase the volume by 100%, you notice a lot of sound leaking and vibration in the middle of the screen. For about 50 to 60 volume percentage, there is no problem. I cannot show how it is, but this is what I can say. Number 3, dual SIM and micro SD card support are there. You cannot use 3 at once. Either you can use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and 1 micro SD card. Number 4, 13 5G bands are supported. Number 5, NFC option is not there. Number 6, lot of extra features and customizations you can do. I already posted a dedicated video about the useful features of Moto mobiles. You know what to do? Check in the description box. You can do chop to turn on the flash, connect to a PC or laptop, secure folder and more. Here is the final verdict of this Moto G85, including some useful and searching questions. First question, whether this is a good mobile under 20,000 rupees. The answer is no. Apart from display, remaining all areas need to be improved a lot, especially the video department in cameras. There is no 4K recording option, which is must nowadays. The second question is whether it is good for gaming and can I play occasional games in this one. Yes, you can play occasional games that are close to medium and above medium graphic integrated, but not heavy graphic oriented games. You notice a lot of heating issues and frame drops in games. Third question, can I use the mobile in outdoor condition? How was the battery backup? As I shared in the display section already, yes, you can use this mobile outdoors without any brightness issues. When it comes to battery, it's good. Fourth question, for whom does this mobile fit? This mobile is good for those who are looking for the best display mobiles that can be used in outdoor conditions without brightness issues and for content consumption. Also for those who want to experience pure Android with no ads and bloatware along with good performance and good battery backup. If you're a content creator and want a mobile for video purpose, then skip this and choose other mobiles. This is not great for that. I think soon Motorola decreases the mobile price within 3 months due to these issues. Why can't mobile brands come with a good hardware and software mobile that is useful for at least 2 to 3 years without any issues? Maybe they want to make more money within a short time. That's the full in-depth review of this Moto G85. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Only 0.3% are subscribed. Please do subscribe. It is helpful to make this kind of unbiased reviews more in future. Thank you and we will meet you again in next upcoming videos.